How to diagnose this vehicle is having a misfiring issue. The engine is not running properly, and let me use auto to select the protocol. The engine is not running properly, and you can hear it soon. What I'll do is I'll turn it off because now I have enough data to check. The engine is not running properly, so what I'll do is I'll check the misfiring. Maybe the misfiring, yeah, cylinder 2. So I'll go to onboard diagnosis and check. Oh, sorry, mode 6 rather, and check the misfiring. So I'll use Hyundai. Select Hyundai and check if I'll find any misfiring data on this. Okay, it's a CAN system, so hopefully I'll find a misfiring data, and you can see cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. You can see the misfiring that is counting a lot of misfiring. It's counting a lot of misfiring. So what I'll do now is I'll go and check the ignition coil and the injector pulses and see why there's misfiring there. This one I'll use my test code to test if it is working, and you can see the ignition coils are working. So let me test this one first. You can see it is working. So that means I have to text my injector pulses. So what I'll do first is I've disconnected the circuit. So I'll test for power and see if I'm able to get power from the injectors. So you can see I'm getting power. So now the only thing that will be the injector pulses, which I have to change my test loop to battery positive and see if I'll be able to get any flashes. And I'm not getting any flashes on my injector. I'm not getting any flashes on my injector, so it could be from the injector. And you can see when I took the seat one, now the misfiring has increased. So what I'll do now is I'll also test on this one. So that means this will be the one which will be carrying the injector forces. Let me connect it to the scope and see if I'll be able to get any forces from the injector. So after checking it, I went to cylinder 4. So really not good. You can see, let me hold the pin a bit. You can see the injector forces are working. And now I don't know what happened, but cylinder 6 is not giving me any injector pulses, and cylinder 2 is also not giving me any injector pulses, although you can see that it has risen up to the battery voltage. So I'll trace the wiring and see why it is that. So now I've come to the wiring diagram, checking where all the wires go. So you can see cylinder 1. So let me click on cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3. Cylinder 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 6. So let me click on this and click on this and click on this. And now I like how Identifix have done their wiring. So now I can trace to the other page without worrying myself like going and check these numbers. Now I can trace to this page straight. So these are the control side of the injectors, but for the other side all of them are connected and I'm getting power on all of them. But for the control side of the injectors, that's where I'm not getting the power that I need. So what I'll do is I'll trace to see the pinouts on the pinouts on the control board and test from there if I'm able to get the control side from the pinout from the control side from the control unit before. If I'll condemn the control unit, I'll condemn it. So, or before, if I'll jump any power anywhere, I'll do that. So now I think I'll check the wiring and continue from there. So after tracing it, you can see all of them are gray and black, and when you come here, all of them too are gray and black for cylinder 4, 6 and 2. So you can see this is the pinout. So this is the pinout for them. So what I'll do is I'll test from this point and see if I'll get my injector pulses. The moment I get the injector pulses at that side, now testing it at the back of the cylinder, you can see it's working. At the back of the control unit, you can see it is working. So I'll change the pin to another wire. And you can see the other wire too is working. So it's left with the last one, which is this one, which is that one, which is not working. So for that one, I can see clearly that it's from the control board, because you can see the voltage is up and it is not working. So when I take out the socket, it should tell me it should go off. Speak with the customer to get another one. So you can see it's up. The moment I take the socket out, you can see it goes down. So that means there is a problem in there. So I'll speak with the customer to replace the control, or I'll check the firing order and search for the nearest one to bypass.